Alright, YouTube. This video is going to be about 3 things that I've used for years. I've had my own computer repair business for over 15 years, and I've served the state of Iowa, all the communities in Iowa, um, just all over the state. And these 3 things I have used since they've been around and used them continuously, and even in today's technology, I have not changed using them. They're just as valuable today as they have been, and they're the 3 things that you're going to want to use consistently, just to help keep your computer running good. And it takes care of you. You don't need to go out and spend thousands of dollars or $1,000 on a antivirus or malware cleaner or something like that. If you use these 3 things consistently, you're going to find that you have way more problems, way less problems, way more problems are going to be in the hands of the other people that don't use this stuff. Okay, I'm just going to go down the line here. The first one's AVG, free protection. Um, you don't need to go out and buy an antivirus or have Norton antivirus on your computer. Norton antivirus is a real heavy application, and it's actually going to slow your computer down a lot, as well as all the other, the bigger antiviruses, antivirus software and stuff. You don't need all that stuff. You've got a firewall in your router, and that takes care of most everything anyways. But this is really good. It's got uh, protection for web, software protection, email protection, and you can run a scan. What I would do is set a scan up on it to where you can run a scan on this. You only need to really run it like once a month. And it seems to work really good. You never have a problem with updates. You never have a problem with anything running this. This is one of the 3 that you actually really need to have. And whenever you put an antivirus software on, make sure that you have no other ones on your computer. So if you have Norton or some other one on your computer, you have to completely delete it, to make sure that there's no conflicts. If you run 2 antiviruses at the same time, you're going to have problems. I've even run into some people that say, well, I got 2 antivirus softwares running on my computer, I should really be protected. No, you're not. You're running into conflicts, and it's going to make your system act all crazy. So always have one antivirus, and AVG free. I guarantee you it works absolutely awesome. Okay, now we're going to go to the next one. CC Cleaner. I'm going to go to Malwarebytes. This is what I use for malware, and this absolutely works really good. I don't seem to get any viruses. This is a Malwarebytes. Like malware, so you get the MADs coming up, and this is what takes care of all that. You got your dashboard, you can go into your settings, and you can change your notifications. You can update, it shows your history. If you run this maybe once every 2 weeks, I used to run it once a week, but I do it once every 2 weeks, and I never have a problem with any malware, stuff like that. If I install something new, let's say if you downloaded WinZip, a lot of times when you download something, it brings some malware with it. The only time other than run it my every 2 weeks, I might run it if I download something just to make sure it didn't bring anything with it. It's really good for that, and you can set your schedules for the scan like in the middle of the night, so you don't even know it's running. And it absolutely works great. I never have any problems. I've installed this on thousands and thousands of other people's computers, and they just love it. Okay, the third one we're going to talk about now is CC Cleaner. This has been around a long time, and it just gets better every year. It's absolutely great at clean like you install different programs, and you know, a lot of people download stuff and then they uninstall it, and then they'll find something else, they'll download it and uninstall it. Well, every time you uninstall something, it still leaves pieces of remnants back on your computer. You know, like if you get like a free trial of something, and your trial's up, and then you try to delete it, you delete it, and then you say, well, I want to do another. Well, like for instance with WinZip, you can get WinZip for free, you know, like for 30 days or 60 days or whatever, and then it's done. You can't use it anymore. So most people think, well, I'll just uninstall it and then I'll reinstall it, and it don't work. And the reason it don't work is because it leaves remnants of that system on your computer. That's how it knows not to let you just keep using the free WinZip. But CC Cleaner, what it does, it's really good at clearing all them remnants that's left behind from applications. And it just really cleans up good. You got your Windows here, and you can run the cleaner, and it'll actually go through and just start cleaning everything off. And it's just really good. I'm just going to let it run here a little bit and let you see what it does. But it goes through everything. And you can set all these, for the most part, when you download this application, CC Cleaner, you can just leave these where they're at. And that cleaning is complete, and then you go to the applications part here. And then you can run the cleaner on your applications that you've had on your computer. The ones that you've taken away, and it's cleaned all them. Now this has got an actual registry cleaner, which is really good, because keeping your registry clean is really imperative to keeping your computer running good. And you can scan for issues. Now if there's any issues, they'll show it up over here. Like I uninstalled this the other day, this Wondershare PDF document. It still left the file extension behind, and that's why this is so good, the CC Cleaner, because it gets rid of all these extensions that's left behind on your computer. Because sooner or later you're going to run into problems, you know. And there's a lot of ActiveX COM issues, you know, that it just erases all this. It just keeps your computer clean. And then you just click Fix Selected Issues. Do you want to back up changes to this registry? I always click No. I've never had to back up my registry. CC Cleaner has never hurt my registry. I click No and then Fix All Selected Items. And you're done. Now this has got some tools with it as well. You can do startup, programs to remove, you know, these are programs you can uninstall. Disk Analyzer, you can go into there, it'll analyze your disk. This Systems Restore, Drive Wiper. We got options here. You can go into all your settings, your cookies, and when to clean your cookies. And you can also upgrade to a better version. But this version here is absolutely all you'll ever need. These are the three things that I believe, and it's proven over and over, if you keep these three things, AVG, free protection, CC Cleaner, and Malwarebytes, anti-malware, they're all free. If you run them on your computer, and you will not have any malware, viruses, everything, your registry is going to be clean. All them remnants behind, or that gets left behind, is going to be gone. And if you do get a malware or virus or anything, just run the Malwarebytes. It'll take care of it. It happened. I've seen it happen over and over again. It's just really good at doing this job, and the good thing is free. Like I said, I've had my own computer repair business for a long time. I've served everywhere. New computers, old computers, it works like a charm. So I think that is going to be it for this particular video. And please like my videos and subscribe, and I will return with another video that is very advantageous to keeping your computer running good. Thanks.